Starms, and I want to just share with you some information about e-com sites. They're all over the place, and everyone's talking about, oh, I want to create a store, I want to create a store. But there are so many ways that you can actually go about doing this. There are sites that allow you to act as a middleman, where they have various things that you can sell and you can custom design them. Sites like Zazzle and Gearbubble, which are really cool if you're selling t-shirts or mugs and things like that. And everyone, of course, knows of Shopify, where you actually put your own items on there, and it has a lot of wonderful third-party applications. Shopify is really terrific, and all you have to do is Google it, and you will find a myriad of trainings on how to use Shopify properly. But let's not forget about eBay and Amazon. Those are sites that you could sell on as well, but you don't really create a site per se, and they actually take quite a bit more from you, so you don't really make as much. It's much better to kind of go out on your own and use some of the previous sites mentioned. But check out the blog post where I share this information. It's right below, and I kind of give a breakdown of these various types of platforms. And there is also a simple training on what you can do to get started. Just get started using them and start earning money right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. Take care now. Bye-bye.